You know, I'm 51 years old. I've been doing this for better than 2 decades. And I'll tell you what, my shoulders can feel it. Cleaning a hole this way is the only way to get down to virgin ground, well compacted, so we don't have settling. And you know what? There ain't the labor like there used to be, and I'm done with that. Let's bring in some equipment. We call this the Badger. It's our hole cleaning system. OneCleanHole.com. And the Badger's going to take care of what my shoulders can't do anymore. We've got one guy on a machine here doing the work of more than one guy in half of the labor. You can see how full it is, how clean it starts to get the hole. This is well compacted, wet dirt. Still lots of crumbs. A couple swipes with this machine. You're done, you're on to the next hole. The nice thing about this is I can be off doing something else and not cleaning a hole out. We found this to save time and money. And when there isn't the labor we used to have, we need machines to take care of some of it. There you have it. We call it the Badger. It'll clean your dirty hole.